Today I have 8 cloth scratches. 8 cloth will scratch. 8 cloth. Scratch here. Don't scratch. There we go. There we go. There we go. Scratched. There we go. I will scratch here. There we go. Whack. This one. This one. This one amazing. I will just go this one. Apply this. Apply this. You will apply this. This one. You will apply this. 100% apply. This one. Will this and this one. Will scratch. I will the wash and that's good. Nice. Oh no, that's one check here. This is a nice. Remove scratches. That's nice. Amazing. Check here. Remove scratches. We will wash and remove scratches here. It's amazing. Nice working. My displays clear. Okay, ready. I will wash this and we will check to this. We'll wash, display and remove this. This is a good scratch. We will remove.